Yeah, I want to be sedated. MOJO Day Trading live stream with the 5-minute rule. Everybody gonna learn about the 5-minute rule today. Nice. Sound actually should come in a little clearer. I got the mic closer to my face. See that? I talk a little bit lower with a nice little action. So check it out, boys and girls. Look what we did today, okay?
Yeah, baby.
All right, cool. Listen, don't hold. Not yet. Moj, not yet, Moj. Let me show you what we did today. Now, it's a Friday bunch of trading. We have a lot of people in chat right now. Still live, all listening. A lot of chatters. A lot of pros. A lot of action. We did nail the biggest mover of the day today. Today was no easy day, but we remain green. Absolutely. Scroll back to the beginning of the day right here. I just want to, one of the things I'm going to mention to you, by the way, open up the original. Put it up over here. This is from Seeking Alpha. Right here, this article right here. My friend sent it to me with a text. And it says the houses which usually get a cut of the action. The dark pools. You know what the dark pools are? Anybody in the room don't know what the dark pools are? Let me know. Anybody in the room, you don't know what the dark pools are? Let me know. Let's jump down here. So, if anybody doesn't know what they are, you let me know. So what they are is the high frequency trading that happens with the dark pool programs, market makers, and all others whom have perfectly legal ability to front run, game, and fleece the average investor. Oh, that sounds familiar. Here's an example. Many, if not all, discount brokers, all of them that want to give you 100 free trades, for whatever price it is, okay? All of them sell stop loss order information, which ends up in the hands of dark pools and HFT programs. This is analogy-wise similar to playing a hand in a poker game. And as a result, the house can see your hand and they can adjust their algorithm to profit from what you have. This market maker omniscience, the intermediary, knows when to hold them, knows when to fold them, knows when to walk away. Okay? And most importantly, they know when to run to the stop loss orders. So with that said, let's take a look at like UVXY. So UVXY, we traded it this morning and bought it. Where's the open? Hold on, let's go back. Oh, here's the open. So UVXY made a run up and came all the way back down to here, which is 1651 to 55 stopping station. And if you bought it there, it went to 17. Then it came all the way back down to 1672.77 stopping station. And off that, it went to 1747. And then from that, it came off stopping station 707 to 12 and bounced off that successfully to 1747 again, and then came down to 1722 stopping station and nailed that one again. So that was successfully done on UVXY all day long. And then you have other stocks like the CETC. It made a huge run up. Actually came down about right here at 372 to 377 stopping station and then ran all the way back up to 544. So these are the dark pool stopping stations that I teach in MOJO University to the students. This is where we go in and we grab and buy and just magnitudely make money on the stocks. I'll show you a couple more. Let's go down the list. Nugget. it made a huge run up all the way here to 1054, and then you rebought it back here off stopping station 1022 to 27 with a touch of 18. And then from there at 18, it went 30 cents higher. Beautiful. And then it came down again, and you did it again at the same exact mark. So that's 2 in a row, 7 times. Let's go to another big mover here. Snap attack. Snap ran all the way up and came all the way back down to this bar at 2077.72 stopping stations. That's another stock, another move, and again right here to 72.77 stopping station. So that's like 9 in a row. We'll go one more time. CLNT made a huge run up right here in the beginning of the day to 740 and came all the way down to 602 by 607 stopping station. And if you bought off of there, it ran all the way to $9. And then from 9, it came down right here to 751 stopping station. You ran it all the way up to 847. It came down again to 772 stopping station. You ran it to 830. It came down again to 772 stopping station. You ran it all the way to 1070, and now it came down again to 827 by 32 stopping station. So that's 14 trades in a row on 4 different stocks that you're able to really hit high probability scores in. And these are the stations, the stopping stations that I teach in Mojo University. Is that correct, guys? Just for the room, FYI. FYI in the room right here. I can't believe I didn't show that. So what I'm going to do, I wasn't showing my screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through that again because you're like, dude, you didn't even show me what the hell's going on. So UVXY, you bought the top right here and it made a run up right here, and then it came down to 1651 stopping station and it ran to 17. Then it came all the way down to 1651 stopping station and it ran all the way to 17. Then it came down again to 1651 and it came all the way to 1720. Stopped again at 1772 stopping station and ran to 1747. Came down to 1707.12 stopping station, ran up to 47. Came down again to 18 stopping station, you made another dime. That's 1 stock, 6 of them. Nugget made a huge run up here to 1053, came down here to 1018 flash on a 22 to 27 stopping station. Another stock successful. Trade 9, 22 to 27 stopping station. 18 flash stopping station right back up to 31. 2 stocks, 8 trades. Let's go to CLNT, the big mover. Made a huge run up to $7.40 and came right here to 602 by 607 stopping station, and it ran all the way to $9. From $9, it came down right here to 751 stopping station, ran all the way up to 8, came back down to 72 stopping station, ran all the way to 830 again, came down again to 772 by 777 stopping station, ran all the way up again right here to 970, came down again to 872 by 877 to 82 stopping station right there on the slow speed, and then ran up right here to 1070 and came down again to 827 by 32 stopping station, is now at 894. So that's about 13 or 15 trades on 3 or 4 stocks that everyone has worked continually successful. And you can do that all day long, whether you're trading Facebook and Apple. Facebook ran all the way up right here to 141.55, and it stopped right here at stopping station 140, 22 to 27 stopping station. If you would have bought there, you would have made a nice fortune of $1. From that dollar, it came down and stopped again on 140, 72 to 77 stopping station. So this is another stock that it's done it 17 or 18 times in a row on 5 different stocks. Let's go to Apple. Made a huge run up right here to 144.18 and came down right here to stopping station 27 to 32 on 143. So that's 7 stocks with some serious 100% accuracy on every stopping station. And this is what I teach to the traders in Mojo University, is how to trade off of those and what they are. specifically. What do you think about that, boys? Is that correct? Is that correct? We do that all day. That's right, buds. 100%. So let me show you the trading that we did here today in the MOJO Day Trade room for the live stream. And we'll go over the 5-minute rule because it will come up in the conversation today. Scroll down to the beginning of the day. We'll go through the trades. The room's got a lot of cool features with the news and all that. So it's 9:39, 9:35, 9:33, 9:32, 9:31, 9:30, and we're off. So CLNT, guys. I don't know what room you were in today, but I hit the NASDAQ biggest winner of the day. Okay? Let's go take a little look and see how Mojo trades today. I got my little sheet right here. Okay? CLNT. Let's be transparent, shall we? Let me move over my keyboard, shall I? Thank you. You want to see a cool mouse pad? Look, it's my mouse pad. Look at that mouse pad. What do you think of that, guys? Look at that rag. I put my wrist on that. Look at this look at this rag. I'll come back to the CLNT. What do you think of this rag? Sweet? I can hear you, Mike, but I can't see the charts you're talking about. That's on the screen share. Are you on the screen? Yeah, what are you kidding me? Look. This is the mouse pad, homie. Try moving your mouse two-sided. Silver sweet, look at the shine, versus a little rough. I like it on the rough side. So what you do is, this fits right over this, see? Like that on your desk. And then you move the mouse all around the whole area. It's got a big area to move the mouse, see? Isn't that nice? It's called the Vespula. It's a gaming, it's called the Razer Vespula. It's a sick-ass mouse pad, bruh. And this lays on your desk, and then this goes over it like that. It's called the Razer Vespula. And then I have the wireless, whoops, for my setup. Then I have the wireless, look at that mouse. It's all lit up blue. The Razer. It comes, look at this box, it comes like a missile. Look. This is the mouse. This is the Razer. Look at this mouse, dude. This is the Razer Type A machine gun. Dude, all you traders better step up your game and get this stuff, Bubba. Get that stuff. Oh, look what I got. So I mentioned last night to everybody, we'll go through the trades. Alan, I don't know if you knew this, but you know, I was a professional poker player, right? Showed these guys last night what I was doing with the winning, right? You guys saw that, right? You saw my website. Let me show you my site. This is my website right here. Poker Pro Info. It's got all the information. Hold on, let me see. Make sure this is the right one. It's Little Hold'em. So this is my, the guy I used to follow and stuff. I'll let it come up. This is also my my blog right here when I used to be. Server error. We don't like server errors. I'll fix that. So, as a professional poker player, I played a couple tournaments where I came in second, won 10 grand. 3 days later, came in first out of 460, won 12,000. So I'm really not had preparing for the World Series of Poker, playing 723rd out of 5,000. Poker Stars, 428th out of 5,100 players, cashed out 1,800. 55th place out of 5,000 people. Came in almost the final table there. 19th place out of 5,000. You know, the first place in the 200,000 guarantee on Full Tilt. I'm a member of Full Tilt, playing with Keith Sexton of World Series of Poker, playing with Stuart Patterson, making the final table. Ace, ace, king, king, Mike. That's me. Taking them all. I'm ace, ace, king, king, Mike, folks. In order to be on Team Full Tilt, you have to get, every time you play, you get points. If you can become an elite platinum member with over, I think it was 5 million points, you can buy a TV, you can buy stuff, and you become a member of the team. 35th place, I cashed second place right there at a 675. Check this out, boys. When I go to the table, look, rich, ace, ace. Check this baby out. This is my Team Full Tilt jersey, bro. Ace, ace, king, king, Mike, right here. That's me, homie. You come play against me, dude, I'll take your money. You know how many people have these jerseys? Not many, kids. Team Full Tilt, okay? Had 4 queens, 4 jacks, 4 kings, 4 aces, 4 nines, 4 fours. Most people don't get 4 of a kind in their lifetime. I've gotten 4 fives, 4 sevens, 4 eights. I lost with 4 aces to a royal flush. So I've seen every single hand you can imagine in poker, just like trading. This is my website for Poker Pro info. If you click this right here, everybody that goes to it, check it out. Poker, it's littlehold'em954.blogspot.com because it changed, but I just got paid from Google for that. See that? I got the Google on there. So let's go back. Always got to click that one. I have all the money makers, Joe Hatcham, Jamie Gold. I got all the hotties right here. All amazing information with my blog. And it goes back to the archive, September. This is a long time ago. Cindy Margolis. And every time someone clicks on these links, I get paid from Google. That's how Mojo is the master. Nobody even can come close. Team Full Tilt, baby. I showed everyone that last night. And I use those same skills in poker that got me to win those tournaments to win every day. And if you want to learn what they are, you'll come to Mojo University. And those courses are right here. I'm teaching the live course right now. The next one is in 25 days. I had Trader Bart buy the super bundle last night. I gave him a deal. Where is he? On here, the kitchen sink. Gave him a deal. Is he in here? Bart? Yeah, he's here. What's up, dude? Trader Bart. Just got the, he lives in somewhere over the rainbow. Who knows where he lives? So let's go to CLNT. So that was some nice showing you of the pokes with the Full Tilt action. You want to play poker with me? I'm ready, boys. I could do the chip twirl. I know how to 3-bet and 4-bet. Ooh, Carol Home Biz is active on the site. Nice. If you don't know what 3 betting and 4 betting is, ooh, you're in trouble. Major does. He's been around me a long time. I got to go back to the stocks I own. I'm sorry, guys. Look, we finally have a 5-minute chart on Oktada. We're in this stock here, folks. Oak Titty. Oak Titty. Alan, Oak Titty. That's what we did today. Look. What we did, we made sure no one was around. Made sure no one was around. Just like Carlton. Check it out, yo. Check it, yo.
It's not unusual to be lonely. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die.
Nice. That's what we did today in the MOJO. Everybody, it was real nice. Do what you want with your oak titties. Your oak titties, guys. Jeez, what a word. Alan set me up with that. He knew I was going to say that today. He knew I was going to do that. So let's go to the trading if you wouldn't mind. And I'll just show you, beyond the joking, how much money we make in the MOJO room. Dry ships, sold it yesterday, thank gosh, in the day trading, got stuck in the swing trading. What you gonna do, We bought it yesterday, day trading, we had averages of, who had the lowest average? I think we had 92 cents yesterday. That's up a dime. Sweet. All right, great pick. Yeah, it was a great pick. We all made money. Great closes on all the stocks. So we came into this morning with NXTD watching the stock here at 2:30 on 12. So they're coming out with earnings after the bell. So we're going to check it out. We're down in it now. So we have NXTD, float small, Trump pattern. See this Mankind, MNKD, Trump pattern. This is VII. We got an eyeball on this. These are security stocks right here, guys, with all the things going on with the missile attacks and all that crazy stuff. These were previous swing actions that we had on the particular stocks. VII right here. And 9.2 million in the float. This is when it was $2 right there. This one right here is when it was at $1.05. Same thing. It's got some nice revenues, 11 million, 12 million. They do manufacture of digital video systems and components for security, surveillance, and safety markets worldwide, the VII. The VII. I really like the other, though, which is the NXTD, for what's going on security-wise. I don't know if you know that. That's NXTID is the website. You can check it out. Let me show you what they do technology-wise. It's really cool. They make the smart wallet right here. The Wallet. So you're not going to have a wallet anymore. You're just going to buy this. So check it out, the Wallet. Introducing the Wallet. Check it out. Smart wallet. So it comes with this card that's universal for everything, just like a credit card. But it has all your information, your birth date, your social. It has everything in it, man. It's a smart card. You do gas, and it's very big on security, like going through the airport. And this is just one part of the company, is this card. This is not really the gist and power of what's going to happen. They're going to get government contracts due to their product, which is the face match. So when you go into the airport and you look in through the thing and your biometrics, your voice match, the biometric cloud, all this stuff, guys. All this is the future, the new America, and the company does the revenues to back that, as you can see right here. They've done a loss of 6 cents, a loss of 2 cents, so they're losing money. But they lost $1.18. They went to a loss of $1, a loss of 39. If you want to know what the new numbers are, you'll come on over. This pick worked out real good. It was in July of 2016. They did 11 million, 12 million, 8 million, and they do that logical systems. And then we had the NXTD. Did a small trade on dry ships. Here's the NXTD pick right here. They did a loss of 39 and a loss of 11 on 31 million. They do the secure mobile smart wallet designed to protect users' identity and replace physical wallets and cards. So everyone's bulk wallets in the future will be gone. This kind of technology will be in place. Absolutely. Okay guys, let's get back to the trading. So you bought NXTD right there is its next stock we're going to trade. The first one was CLNT. NXTD's at 2000 open. Here we go. So we have dry ships off this. Didn't get that one yet. I get to them. Here we go. CLNT at 730. Okay. That was a sell. So we bought it at sold, and then NXTD we sold. There's a lemon squeeze. The uppercut on that never got there. CLNT 766. What is the original buy on CLNT? Nice, Okada's doing real good for us. UV 17, 19, 17. 500 UVXY. I have NXTD, UVXY, LABD. No, I got a bunch of stocks. Nugget, Okada, DGAS. Bunch of stocks. DGAS, UVXY, Okada, NXTD, LABD, Nugget. That's what I got right there. I don't see. I must have just set it. Must have been moving. Done that a bunch of times today. Holy moly, wow, yes, I know. Holy moly, wow. Holy moly, yes. It's a holy moly stock. So CLNT went from 766 to 820. That's the holy moly. NXTD was small money on the first, loss on the second. So CLNT have 1,000 left. 864 sold. See it? 730 to 864 is a $1.30 move on the opening stock. Flat. We'll retrade it again. NXTD went to 260. Big deal. Then NXTD, we're going to do it again. We're going to buy this at 890 right now. So it's trade number 2 on CLNT. Yeah, 890. Last time we saw it was 64. So we bought it at 890. Okay, and when we sold at 914. See it? and then we started to get on the other. So we did it at 9.14. I'll say 9.10. 20-cent move, easy in the bank, done. Then we shorted it at 9.10 to go the other way down and covered for 50-cent move. So that's another 50 cents on that, done, added on. See, look, short it at 9.10, done. Covered, done. Time frame 9:36.16 to 9:36.29. Real fast, the stock's moving. Okada's going through 50, you boys. 100 entry on UV, 16.44. New trade on NXTD right there at 32. This is where we lost on it. 500, I'm just going to buy 500 all the way down. So this NXTD, the next one, right here, the new one, we're in, and we're in UV. Done. Long, dry ships in. That was a small trade. Dry ships didn't make nothing on today. Didn't move. Made nothing, real nothings. CLNT right there, 976. See it? 224, 216 NXTD, 951. Okay? This one is coming down. We're going to add on that in a second. Should have held short 911. $9. Sold half of UV. So UV's a profit. Done. UV, money, money, money. Okay? And that's 66. Long 5,000 coming into the dip of NXTD right there. And this is 100 left on UV at 16s. So incredible class last night for Mojo U. I love going over what we do in the room on a daily basis. UV 1709, boys. Look, UV 1666 with some 200 left. UV Heinz added back on 1709. So UV again, more money. Thank you. Then look, I explained to you about the HFTs, okay, and the pools. I'll show you one that goes by. You see these? You see this number, the 35721, the 35053, and the 35144 right here in the time and sales? Those are all dark pools. The trading in between the numbers. Who's doing those? Those are the algorithmic HFFT computers and the people that are able to trade dark pools. Nice sell. I sold Okada. We'll look to maybe buy it back soon. News on NXTD is the earnings right here. Earnings investor came out right here. Webcast to discuss the company's results. Right here. April 6th, it's scheduled for, which was today. There's the earnings. So, I mean, that's the, I guess they came out and it is what it is. I learned a lesson from that because I bumped, I had 20,000 of those suckers. What you gonna do? Lost money on that trade of it. But green on the day. And I learned a lesson, meaning trade with your eyes, not with your brain. I'm like, oh, missile attacks. I better get in everything that's freaking security, and that's what's going to go today no matter what. And I watched it go down, and I took a loss. Okay? That's what you do. Sold UV at 24, holding 500. So UV, we can add another, just we'll go like this. How about this? Look, add another dollar mark on it. Okay? Holding some. Good grief, everyone's sitting around, everyone's chatting around. I love the action in the room. He prefers blackjack instead of poker. Ooh, let me go back to the room. He prefers blackjack instead of poker. So we were just scrolling, we were just chit-chatting. He discovered blackjack instead of poker. And this was the last trade on UV right here, sold, holding 500. Blackjack has no positive expectancy. Unless you could play every hand with like a 6 and a 5 or that sort of thing. or get picture cards and know that all those hands that you can bet are like that. UV's flying, guys, flying, and the market's up. Okay, so dry ships, I gave the action on what to do with that, with the swing, take the loss and move on. Right here is UV at 16.79. We still have some. Add another dollar mark on that. There you go. Then we have right here, this is VII. Doing really nothing. Move, little nothing. The Dow was down 5. Now it's up 15. UV was 16.92. Now it's 19. No, it's not. That was maybe it was 18.92. Some maybe it was a typo. And then Okada was going to do an IPO, set to open. So we checked out Okada. UV going through, and Okada news. There's the IPO. Pricing around. Here's a Heinz trade on UV on 1,000 shares right there. Add another dollar amount. Another trade on UV. Small $2 right there. Beautiful. Nuggets doing good. Labby's doing good. All my ETFs are doing good. We'll go through them at the end when I catch up. So then we added Heinz right here. This is 246 on a Trump pattern. My new thing I spoke to yesterday. Then here Okada just opened up. It's very, very fast. Signal at 66. We took an entry and then it dumped. Made no money on Okada. Okay, TA made 0. Didn't lose though. It was real fast. And then we traded it again. Loss on 300 shares. So I lost money on it. That's a loser. Okay, TA, loser. Small though, I never finished the sequence. I was only 300. Okay? And then I'm gonna make that back. 23.47, boom, 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 boom. Trail 500, sold and fold right there. That's on UV, but that's not what we did. This was on Okada right here. So we traded Okada and we nailed it again right there. 23.12, flat, 23, money. That's on Okada. And then UV, we made money. So Okada, I did one little trade and made money. Still haven't made it back yet. So we do more trades. CHNR, we're checking it out. Trump pattern right here, which I spoke about yesterday. UV's coming down to stopping station right here. We bought that 17.26. Hold on a second. I can get my UV over here. And then we traded CLNT right here, noted. Right now at 11.15, the stock made a move higher and it's at 9.05. Noted for Mojo U. $13,000 profit. He did today. Made good money on CLNT. $13,000. Trader DJ in the room. Right there. Nice day, trader DJ. 13,000 in the room. Let's give him a little thumbs up. It's a good day. Just trading the CLNT. We traded it magnificently. We nailed the CLNT right to the minute. Absolutely. Then we have trader Bart. Yeah, they have the tax. I got to help you with that. Flat on everything at the time, but NXTD. Just like at this time, guys, look, it's only at 11:30. From the trading I've done, it feels like it's freaking, we've been through a war, right? But look, that's how you make money and you green on the day. Better than digging ditches. So then we have a signal on that. We're watching. Here's a Delt watching. Made a little move. No money. Going to get some coffee. Right here. And we're going to trade Okada. Right now we're going to wait. We're going to do an entry. If it goes lower weight, we're going to buy higher at 23.30. And we right here 23.25. This is the last trade that you saw. And now it's up right here at 23.44. And that was the last trade. So the little measly 300 shares that we lost 20 cents on made back tenfold. And that's the trading which we've done for the day. in the MOJO Day Trade room. And that's what we've done. Let me check something out right here. Hold on one second. I'm looking for something on my desktop, so I'm turning my screen black for 1 sec. Not what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I had it stored there, it's gone. Nice. So going to that, this is a business that we run, and the purpose of today's show, which we're going to cover here at the end, because if you're watching this long, it means that you like what you're watching. You can become a subscriber by just clicking the button right there on YouTube, subscribe, and you'll get an email every single time that I'm on. If you want to become a member of MOJO Day Trading, you'll come right over here to MOJO Day Trading, and you'll become a member up at the top and become a member. Shows you everything real nice. So now I'm going to show you what the 5 minutes is. Let's go to Caleb and search Mr. Caleb. We're going to search, what were we talking about? The 5 minute. Let's search that. No. Whoops. Let's see. Let's go to Caleb. Show everyone what the 5 minute is. Right here. I want to show you by our talking about it. That's the best way, instead of me just saying it. Let's do a search for you, buddy. Guess that didn't work. Oh well. Anyway, it is in the room here, and the rules are very simple. Okay, we talked about it today, folks, about being in the trade a certain time frame. And I wish I found it because it was a great example. I'll find it, I'm in no rush. Caleb. Here we go. Pro Trader Caleb, that's when you were on the thing. My gosh, I can't believe it. Dude, we talked so much about it. I thought it was going to be a major point of conversation today. Here it is. I got 1200 NXTD at $1.98, and I'm wanting to hold it. I'm like, what are you wanting to hold? The position. Yeah, wants to hold the position of NXTD at 1144. So let's go see where it was at 1144. So you had the chance right there not to get out of it at 1144. Oh, right before the big dump. Good. Okay. So, yeah, but the PDT rule would lock his account. It'd be his fourth trade. So I said, okay, only play the ones called in this room. NXT was a bump, usually good when you bump. My first buy was the first bump. It's all good, though. Incorrect answer. On paper trade, I did the Heinz trade. I got excited for the bump. Yeah, so true. So I'm a DGF. I don't give a fuck about that trade. He is excited. He's an exciting trading fuck. He loves to get excited to trade. And he's very emotional. Emotion is not good in trading. You trade with your eyes and not with your brain. You move on to the next one. This is what we all do. You go jump in the Bugatti and you go for a ride. Okay? If the trade doesn't work in 5 minutes, that's the rule. Take the honey to work, and I'll be back in a bit. That's it. If the trade doesn't work in 5 minutes, the odds go down 50%. It's not going to work at all.
No! No.
If you're in the trade for 15 minutes, it's not going to work.
No!
And if it does, you should feel bad that you were still in it for that long. Okay?
Yes.
Good. I knew I would find it. I knew I'd find it. Amazing move on the UV. Look where it stopped. 1722 to 27 stopping station. Pretty amazing, right? Anybody nail it off the stopping station? You did. Alan's the man, of course, all day long. I did it for you 17 times in a row. Why wouldn't you, right? Why'd you miss it, Hopper? I showed it to you 17 times in a row just now, brother. Hold on a second. Hello, this is Pro Trader Mike. Nice. Sales call. Put it on mute. They always call. I was the first call I got all morning. Always during the show. You missed it? You shouldn't have missed it. Let me show you my stocks. Got UVXY, made a tremendous move. Nugget, just dumped, but I sold it earlier. But I still have a little bit. Let me look how many I have. I'm going to rebuy some back. Yeah, right here. Put some orders in. There's little 100 share taps on this sucker right here. I have LABD. That one took a dump too, but I sold some earlier. I'm going to buy that one back. Okay. And then I have NXTD. And got a little dry ships in the swing too. That's about it. On that swing action side right there. Show you the model. What do we got here today? We have right here. Dow's up 10. This is a live spreadsheet for the swing portfolio. I have this ESNC that should be down here. Alexa, move ENC to the open trades and fix the sheet on the swing. April 17th swing trades closed. Watson, add in, thank you. Turtle Beach, nothing. Tear went on a hair, but hair didn't go on a tear. Isn't that so unbelievably funny? Look, tear went on a hair, but hair didn't go on a tear. Unbelievable, huh? Net list doing fine, went over $1.02, didn't trigger. $1.30 didn't trigger. And these are all of them right here. We're in Roxy. 98%, 677% return we nailed on Great Basin Scientific. Delcath were down 26%. Tops were down 53%. Sold, moved out for a loss on that. That moved down there. Alexa Watson moved top ships April 2017 closed. India Globalization added back in. Yep. Lubby's doing fine. Up 3.75. Rite Aid we sold. Adjust Alexa Watson. Put Rite Aid down on the closed trades. Already done half. Great. Make the adjustment up top. That's all. Everything's noted and done. That's it. These are the spreadsheets, boys. This is what you get to follow. If I go on this sheet and I make one line item move, every single person will get alerted that something changed on the sheet. And they'll all go check it out. And they'll all be able to go see what line item changed and what it was. And if you want to get a trigger, you set up an alert and trigger on all these stocks right here. And when they hit that trigger price, you buy. It's as simple and easy as that. But it's also more than that. It's the education, the training that you get when you become a Mojo Pro trader. Let me show you. I go right here and I go to Tools, Alert and Trigger. These are 2 alert and triggers that I set up last night. A fake one on ABCD right here. I'm going to delete that and delete the CLNT. See that? This was I was showing him how it works. I'll show you. So what you want to do is you want to come right here and you want to go, let's say you want to know when Snap is at 21. That's your number. See that Snap right there at 20? So you go add alert. I go Snap, S-N-A-P, alert. And I put the symbol in right here, Snap. And then I come here and I click add. This is the rules setting for the alert. So then I go level 1 bid. I want to know when it's greater than or equal to 21. And I click OK. And then I click OK. It's sitting right there. When that hits 21, I'll get an alert. It'll pop up in the corner and I'll know I can buy. I can also set an order on this alert. I can do a enable basket order right here and enable the sound on that right there. And I can do the order, a single order or a basket to do that on the trade all set up if I'd like. I like to do things manually, but if I wanted to do it more automated, I can for surely do that. Okay, so Snap, once it goes through, it'll alert me. Let me change the price to a price that it's already at so you'll see it happen. If it's over 20, it'll alert me. Watch. You ready? See it? Right here. It alerted me. So I quit. Right there. Okay? What you need to do is hear that loop. You need to take off the loop. And it won't do that over and over. But that's how you do an alert and trigger. You can set the alert on that. Or let's say I wanted to know when it traded, not the level 1 bid, but let's say a stock with certain volume. Or if it came out with news, you'd want to know. Or if you have a certain profit and loss, you'd want to know if it hit that, a certain loss or a certain profit. So you can set your stops according to that just by knowing an alert. Oh, it's come to my alert on a loss. If anything greater than or equal to, and you could do that. You can do it. I don't usually do that because I watch it, but volume greater than or equal to 25 million shares. And then once you trade that, you'll get the same alert. And you could set all kinds of alerts and triggers. So this was a lesson on the 5-minute rule and the alert and trigger. Let me write that down. See, it doesn't have a lot to do with charts. and this or that. The market. Can you believe NXTD's popping up to 183? I can't believe it. I know, guys. Look. Nugget's coming right back up, and J-Nug's coming right back up after that dip buy, huh? So sweet, right? LABD's going to come up now. Good timing on everything. Good timing on everything. Look what LEDS is 327 stopping station. Right? CETC off the screen, LEDS off the screen, Okada off the screen, VII off the screen, NXTD on the screen, CLNT on the screen, DCTH off the screen, dry ships off the screen. Off the screen. And these are my symbols that I'm watching here, folks. With the Mojo Traders. That's what we do. What, are you kidding me? What do you got a freaking... What the hell's stuck in the freaking air horn, man?
And his name is...
And his name is... MOJO! So these are the trades today. We did real nice. You see them up there. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Let's see what we got. And then we're going to go enjoy the weekend. Let's see here. Thanks, man. Let's see. Squidward hasn't been around lately. Let's see what Squidward's got to say. Great trading, Mike. Great stuff. Mojo team. I don't want that in there. You could grab that line. Let's do it again. Yeah, great trading, Mike. Great stuff, Mike. This is with me, Hopper, and people. Nice. Good one.
And his name is John C.
Yuvi's gonna Hines. So good on the UV today. We nailed the Pantories off of it. I was telling everyone right through here, a lot of people bought and got burned real bad right here. Just trading it, and then they're on the wrong side of the wave all for the rest of the day. All right, guys. Everyone having I think we're going to have a fantastic weekend. And that's it. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace.